it's Crystal of MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make my most favorite deviled egg recipe in the whole wide world. It's so easy to make. Everything you need is on my counter in front of me, so you know it's simple. Let me show you how to do it. So to save time, I have already hard-boiled my eggs, and I have already peeled them and cooled them and divided them. So I've got my yolks in this bowl all mashed up with a fork, and I've got my whites on my deviled egg platter. We're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And honestly, usually, I do not measure this. I just kind of add this and add that and taste it. But I'm gonna use my tablespoons and teaspoons for you guys today. I'm gonna add 1 scant tablespoon of yellow mustard. Scant meaning almost a tablespoon, just a hair below it. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce, Worcester, Walla Walla sauce. That stuff. I'm going to add a couple of dashes of some hot sauce. I'm a Frank's Red Hot girl. And I'm going to stir that up. And I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper to taste. And now I am just spooning the filling into my deviled eggs. You can also use a piping bag, but I don't feel like grabbing a piping bag. A spoon it is. And the finishing touch, a little bit of paprika.